Hi, you're watching Infrared. Just going to squeeze in another quick demo tonight. So please subscribe to our channel if you've not done so already. So we're going to incorporate this little thermal cam into some of our equipment. It's got an 8x8 array, so doesn't offer super high resolution, but you can certainly make out objects that are passing by, hot and cold spots. So the beauty of it is that, as you can see at the minute, it's set to a range of 15 to 25. So if you are outdoors, you can drop the lower end to right down to -10. So as we're indoors and it's about 20 degrees in here, we set the lower end to 20 and we'll set the upper scale to 40. And obviously when I put my hand there, you can see it's sensing that it about 24 degrees. So probably a little bit of error on the accuracy there. So if we drop the top end down to 30 and the lower end of the scale to 15, as you see the corresponding key on the side shows you the temperatures. So to complete the test, if I get my nice cup of tea, you can see that it's quite warm. It's been sitting there for a while. Right, so I was saying we'll probably be building this into a little box or portal soon. So if you're interested, please pop a comment down below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.